Hello and welcome to Ross & Park Motors. Another new arrival here today. This time it's a Ford Focus. This is a 1 litre EcoBoost. It's a 125 brake horsepower Zetec 5-door and it's in racing red and it looks really good. So a little bit of a wrap on the roof, a little bit of a wrap on the mirrors. Does look good. Rear privacy glass. Now this one's got sat nav as well, factory fitted touchscreen sat nav. Drives well, it's got good history. It's a nice car. Good all-round family cars these, we sold lots of them. And this one is a very clean one, just been balloted, so it's all looking nice and clean inside and out. So like I say, touchscreen, sat nav that, media centre. It's done 98,000 miles. Now it will come with a service, it will come with a new MOT, and it will come with 3 months parts and labour warranty. There'll be more pictures on the website. It's rostandparkmotors.co.uk, or you can give me a call 07 868 702 3.